Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set up Django in Visual Studio Code tutorial. So Django is a high-level web framework for Python that streamlines the creation of dynamic web application. It is known for its clean and pragmatic design. Django empowers developers to build scalable and feature-rich projects with ease. From handling databases operations to simplifying URL routing, Django take care of the heavy lifting, allowing it to focus on crafting compelling applications. So to set up Django, you have to keep that few things in mind. That first you have successfully installed this Visual Studio Code and you also have the Python in your system. If not, then you can go to the browser and you can search for it. For Visual Studio, you have to search for Visual Studio Code. You will get its website, and from these options, you can just simply install it into your system. And for Python, you have to open another tab and you have to just simply search for Python. You will get its first link, or you can also find its in the description below. Once you click onto it, you will get here, click on download, and from the downloads, you can just simply download it and install Python. These two options are must for you that you have installed in your system. Then you can just simply set up Django. After you have both of these two options, you have to open the Visual Studio Code. Now here what you have to do before starting anything, you have to create a folder and you have to name it anything. Usually people name it as same as Django, Django project or any other name. Once you're done, simply click onto this option folder and from your system choose the folder that you have just created. After that, on the left side you can see we have this option for Python. So you just have to simply resize this option and click onto this option. Once you're here at the top, you have to click here and you will choose this option terminal. Click on new terminal and a new terminal will be created here. Now once the terminal is open, you have to give it a command. So to write a command, you have to click here and then you have to type pip install Django. Make sure you use the correct spelling and after that hit the enter key. Now after that it will start downloading the Django. Once the downloading is done, later on it will also install the Django in VS. So now this installing process will take time. It depends on the speed of your internet, but usually it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once this time will pass, you will have your Django in which you can start working for your work. So as you know, Django is a powerful and open source web framework for Python that simplifies the process of building web application. So it provides a robust structure and a set of tools to ease common web development tasks, allowing developers to focus on creating features rather than dealing with repetitive tasks. Django follows the don't repeat yourself principle, promoting efficiency and maintainability. At its core, Django is used for developing web applications by providing an organized and scalable foundation. It includes features like an object relation mapping, which is also known as ORM system for database interaction. It is a built-in administrative panel and a template engine for designing dynamic and responsive user interfaces. Django also supports URL routing, handling user authentication, and managing security features, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're building a blog, e-commerce site, or a complex web application, Django's versatility and simplicity make it an excellent choice. Its active community and extensive documentation contributes to its popularity, making Django a go-to framework for developers looking to create robust and efficient web solutions. And once the installation is done, it will also integrate you by saying the successful installation of the Django's is done, and it will also show you its model, like which model it has installed. Now the work is done, the Django has been installed. Now for whatever purpose you're using it, whether you're using it for a blog, e-commerce site, or maybe any complex web application, you can just simply start your working on Django. So installation of the Django requires some other stuff, like first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Visual Studio Code. If not, then you have to install it from its website, and you have also the Python. If not, then you have to install it from your website. Once you have both of these, you have to open Visual Studio Code, and after that you also have to create a folder in which you can put all your data so that everything is simple. And once you have that folder, you have to open in Visual Studio Code. You have to create a new terminal, and you have to give a command for the installation of the Django. Once you give the command, it will install a Django, and you will have your Django. You could start working within it. And that's it. This is how you can set up the Django in Visual Studio Code. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Also remember to leave a like and comment. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.